Have you ever wondered what the difference between unrefined and refined coconut oil is? If so, you're not alone. A lot of people are confused about these two types of coconut oil. I used to be confused about unrefined and refined coconut oil too, but then I did some research and learned a lot about them. And now I want to share what I learned with you. So what is the difference between unrefined and refined coconut oil? Unrefined coconut oil is also known as virgin coconut oil. It is extracted from fresh coconut meat using a cold pressing method. This process preserves the natural nutrients and flavors of the coconut oil. Unrefined coconut oil has a white or ivory color and a strong coconut flavor. Refined coconut oil is extracted from dried coconut meat using a heat-based method. This process removes some of the natural nutrients and flavor of coconut oil. Refined coconut oil is clear and has a mild coconut flavor. Both unrefined and refined coconut oil are sold at room temperature. They are both high in saturated fat, but they also contain other beneficial nutrients such as antioxidants and medium-chain triglycerine. Medium-chain triglycerine is also known as MCTs. They are a type of fat that is easily digested and absorbed by the body. They have been shown to have a number of health benefits, including boosting metabolism, increasing energy levels, aiding in weight loss, improving cognitive function, reducing the risk of heart diseases. Both unrefined and refined coconut oil can be used in cooking and baking. However, unrefined coconut oil is a better choice for people who want to get the full range of health benefits from coconut oil. So, which type of coconut oil should you use? If you are looking for a coconut oil with the most health benefits, then unrefined coconut oil is the better choice. If you are looking for coconut oil that is less expensive and has a milder flavor, then refined coconut oil is a good option. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.